Carolina.
Mama, take this thing.
My son, what you eat? Eat with what? There. Eat with chocolate ah? No. You take from here, okay? It's not from here. This one got a bit like hancur there. This one no hancur. Okay, eat. No. If without chocolate then now it's sour but. That's why I need to buy chocolate then now, you see. Present eat strawberry with chocolate, the guys. His favorite there. Eat a bit, don't too much like that. So I probably will for rice and something.
Okay. Wow, what is that there? Oh.
This one is red. There, for you.
There. Eat, present. Eat.
With the chocolate now.
Okay. Chocolate there. Mix with chocolate.
Strawberry with chocolate, guys. There.
Strawberry with chocolate. How do?
Nice, guys. You should try this one. There.
Recipe sendiri.
Oke, guys. There, bareng.
Makan mana tuh? Deh.
The chocolate nice.
Itu coklat. Coklat deh. Makan? Coklat. Good. Okay. Good ah. Strawberry.
There, guys. Memang nice.
Red.
There, the whole thing.
Nice. Okay. Chocolate with strawberry, guys. With chocolate now, human brand. Not bad. And try strawberry mixed with chocolate.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
With the sushi kan deh. There guys. Just now Bryson asked to buy strawberry guys. So I think if eat it like that only not nice for sour.
Thanks for tuning in.
So we
Watching
decided
our
to
channel.
buy chocolate
If you loved our video,
to
smash
pair
that
with
like
it
button, drop a comment, share a photo, and hit subscribe to join Jessica
Nice,
JDS
guys.
teaching. That's right.
Very
Just
nice.
like Jessica
You try,
JDS
guys.
team in the search
Can try this.
dive into more of our
Here with
awesome
chocolate.
videos. We can't wait to see you in the next
100% nice this one.
Until then, take care and bye-bye.